Alright, welcome back everyone to yet another video. Today we are going to be adding an SSD and more storage to the Acer Aspire PC. Now, I've already done this. I'm just going through to do a little recap to show you guys how to do it. So, let's jump in the video and get started. Alright guys, so first what you want to do is unscrew the back of the computer and take your side panel off. Now, I already have mine screwed off, but if you guys don't, go ahead and do that. Not too difficult. But anyways, I'm going to see if I can get a better view on the PC here. Okay guys, so if you want to add an SSD or another hard drive to this PC, what you're going to have to do is unhook or unplug the CD drive, because you're going to need this here cable, and you'll need to go out and buy an extra serial ATA cable. Make sure it's 4-pin. So I've already done that. I don't really use my drive for anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the SSD down here at the bottom, and it'll screw into these 4 holes here. And your hard drive should come with some tiny little screws. But alright, let's get to it. As soon as I find my screwdriver. Okay, so here we go, sliding it in. Alright, so after we have that all screwed in, we'll take the ATA cable and we'll just plug everything back in right here. And that is it, guys. That's all you have to do for installing a hard drive. Alright guys, so that's basically pretty much it. That's all you have to do to install an SSD. Now, with installing that SSD, say you're doing it to put your operating system on because you want your computer to boot a little faster or run some programs a little faster because SSDs are faster. You would have to do a clean install of Windows 10 or whatever you're using onto that hard drive. So what I did was made a backup restore flash drive, and then I just booted it up from the flash drive and then put the factory restore onto the hard drive. So it's pretty easy, it's not difficult. As long as you guys are willing to do that and get rid of your optical drive, then you can install an SSD. Or you could just swap out your current hard drive with the SSD. That works, but you'll still have to do a reinstall of Windows. However, now, moving on. This is the hard drive that comes inside the PC, the computer right here. A 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda. I swapped it out for a Western Digital blue drive. And then Ashley got me an Insignia, I think I'm saying that right. Now this works with SSDs as well as regular hard drives. So we'll just stick it in there, and there you go. There we go. We got more Is it supposed to move like that? We got more storage. But there it is, guys. There's upgrading to an SSD on the Acer Aspire T desktop computer. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys learned something. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.